as and when we decide that we want to do the ISS examination, either we are in our graduation or we've just completed that, or we just know about what is ISS and don't know how to strategize or how to actually prepare for it, what books should be recommended, where we should not waste our time, what notes should be followed, whose classes should be followed, and what actually the syllabus is like, and either we'll be able to do it or not within our reach, or is it beneficial for us to do, whether we'll be enjoying that particular job. Everything that has been coming in your mind is also the concern that many students have asked us on our WhatsApp channel. So we've decided, Startup Academy has decided to start a new batch for on every weekends, that is on Sundays, from 1 to 2 p.m., and there we'll be discussing every strategy, every question of yours. I'll be answering your questions regarding anything and everything regarding the ISS examination. So first of all, I would like to tell you that this will be a free session for all of you. Those who want to join can contact us, and we'll be providing the free session every Sundays from 1 to 2 p.m. Very, very important, because here we all are lacking and we all face very, very many doubts, and we might go in wrong directions, not knowing what is the right thing to do. There is nobody to guide us, and we feel so much vulnerable that we need somebody's guidance, and our competitors cannot be our guidance, because they are also preparing for the same exam and you are their biggest competition. So why would they guide you at the correct direction? So here I am there for you to guide in every strategy of yours. May it be the very silly questions that you might be afraid of asking to the ones nearby you, and may it be the many tough questions that you are not asking just because you think that it won't be able to solved by you. Everything will be solved by us in this particular session, and also it is free of cost for all of you. No, we are not charging any fees. We just want to help a lot of you, those who have been sending their questions to us continuously on our WhatsApp and on our telegrams, and even on the comment sections. Not only regarding the strategy or regarding your doubts, but we'll be solving the topics doubt that you are having in all of the papers, paper 1, 2, 3, and 4 of statistics, and also GS and English. I'll be there to help you, and I'm very glad to help you out. So you can contact us on this particular number. 7500 2299 66. This is the number that you can contact us. The only thing that you have to do to contact us through this number, and we will be sending you the live session link, and there you can join us on every afternoon of the or Sundays, where you can collect doubts throughout the week and just ask as many doubts as you can in that particular thing. We'll also be uploading those videos so that it might be helpful to other people also, those who are at the same place as at you are, and it might go around to helping a wide lot of students, those who are struggling to ask their doubts and are afraid to ask their doubts, whether they'll be able to solve it or not. Everything will be helping you out in that. Thank you.